Let's learn Lonely Drum. It's choreographed by Darren Mitchell. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 3. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag, and then we're going to go through and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Lonely Drum. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to stomp your right foot forward and slightly into the right diagonal. You're now going to bounce your right heel up, down, up, down, up, and then as you step down, you're going to take weight onto your right foot. We're now going to do toe heel stomps with the left and the right. So you're going to take your left toe, touch it next to your right, place your left heel slightly forward and step your left next to your right. We're now going to repeat that with our right foot, touch your right toe next to your left, place your right heel slightly forward and step your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your stomp and bounce. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, you're going to step forward with your left foot. You're going to do a quarter pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 3 o'clock. And then you're going to do a crossing shuffle, crossing left over right, right side, left over right. You're now going to step your right foot to the right side, and as you do that, you're going to bounce your hip to the right. So we're going to go bump and bump. Now you're going to weave, crossing your left behind your right, right foot to the right side, and cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our toe heel step. You're doing your quarter pivot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. When you do those hip bumps, you want your weight to completely stay on your right foot. The only thing that's doing any sort of movement is your hip. Section 3, we're going to do toe and heel switches. So we're going to point our right toe to the right side, quickly step our right next to our left and point your left toe to the left side. Quickly step your left next to your right and place your right heel forward. Quickly step your right next to your left and place your left heel forward. We're now going to quickly step our left next to our right, do 2 walks forward, step right, left, and then you're going to do a right shuffle forward, stepping right forward, left together, right forward. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our weave. You're going to do your toe switches. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. You're going to step forward with your left foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot. You're now going to do a left shuffle forward, stepping left forward, right together, left forward. We're now going to do 2 big steps into the diagonal. So we're going to step our right foot forward but slightly into the right diagonal and drag your left toe into your right. Step your left foot forward and into the left diagonal and drag your right into your left. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our shuffle forward. You're doing your step half pivot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your stomp and bounce. So it's stomp, stomp, bounce, bounce, take weight, toe, heel, step, step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle. Now your hip bump, bump, and bump, weave behind, side, cross. Point, step, heel, step, walk, walk, shuffle forward. Step, half pivot, shuffle forward, big steps with the right and the left. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your stomp with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tag. Wall 3 is going to be your 6 o'clock wall. It will be the first time that we come to the back wall. You'll dance the full 32 counts to face 3 o'clock, and all we're going to add on is shuffles and rocks. So we would do our big step touch. We're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, shuffle back with your right, stepping right back, left together, right back. We're now going to rock back with our left foot, recover forward onto our right, and shuffle forward with our left. Left forward, right together, left forward. And that is the whole tag. So let's try it with some counts doing that rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you would start all over with your stomp and bounce and continue the dance on all the way around. So that's going to come at the very end of our 32 counts for our back wall. As soon as you come to 3 o'clock and do your big steps, you're going to add on that tag, that one wall and one wall only. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the tag into the next wall. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your stomp and bounce. It's stomp, bounce, 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 take weight. Toe, heel, step, step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle. Now your bump is right bump, right weave, behind side cross. Point, step, heel, step, walk, walk, and shuffle. Half pivot, and your shuffle, big step, right and left heel bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bounce, 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 bounce. Toe, heel, step, step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle, bump, behind side cross. Point, and heel, and walk. Walk and shuffle, half pivot. And your shuffle, big step. Add on your tag, rock, recover, shuffle back. Rock back, shuffle forward. Start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so that you can practice as much as you would like, so that you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Lonely Drum. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.